You need to watch this if you struggle with maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Today, I will show you how to get the best heart-healthy benefits from these 6 fantastic fish. First up, meet the omega-3 champion, salmon. Packed with EPA and DHA, salmon not only reduces triglycerides but also supports overall heart health. Whether grilled, baked, or served raw in sushi, it's a delicious way to boost your wellness. Next, we have the versatile delight, tuna. With its rich omega-3 content, tuna helps lower bad cholesterol and is a great protein-packed option, whether canned or fresh. Jumping in third is trout, the freshwater gem rich in omega-3s and B vitamins. Perfect pan-fried with herbs for a zestful meal. Don't overlook herring, the unsung hero loaded with omega-3s and known for supporting brain health. Try it pickled for a tangy twist. Moving on to sardines, the tiny powerhouses. They're not only rich in omega-3s but also provide calcium for strong bones. Top them on whole grain crackers for a crunchy snack. Last but not least, mackerel makes waves with its bold flavors. It boosts your omega-3 intake and vitamin D levels, essential for strong immunity. Grill it, smoke it, or toss it in salads. Incorporating these 6 fish into your diet can be a delicious journey towards improved heart health. Remember, your heart is only as healthy as what you feed it.